So you want to back up your Freshservice data to CSV. Help desk migration is what you need. It's an automated online service that helps to back up your Freshservice data. Here's how to back up your Freshservice data to CSV. First, select Freshservice as your source platform and fill in the access credentials. Then choose CSV as the data target. Select the data you would like to export. Then start mapping ticket and knowledge base fields. Once the basic setup is done, run your demo migration to check if the data migrates correctly. Review the generated files by clicking Download Dumps buttons next to contacts, tickets, and articles. Check whether the files are valid and all records are in place. When you're ready, hit that final button and get all your data moving. Just like that, you can back up such Freshservice data as tickets along with private and public notes, attachments, tags, contacts, organizations, agents, groups, articles along with tags, folders, categories. Ready to back up? Click Visit Site to install and try the app for free.